we are not going to Popeyes no more. We is not going to Chick-Fil-A no more. And the reason why is because we got a crispy, flaky, juicy chicken sandwich coming right out of my kitchen, and you can have one coming out of yours as well. It's a super easy recipe. Keep on watching to find out how to make your juicy, crispy chicken sandwich yourself. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as rock that notification bell. Leave a like for your boy. On the screen here, I have our flour mix as well as the ingredients that's going inside the mix. That's all you're gonna need. Mix that up. Now I have myself 2 eggs as well as a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and some black pepper. I'm gonna also throw in some red hot sauce into that bad boy, mix it up, and that's gonna be our binder for our chicken. And guys, in the comments below, let me know what was your favorite chicken sandwich before you tried this. What were you rocking with? What was your go-to chicken sandwich before you tasted this bad boy? Because obviously we know this one's way better than the competition, but I'm just curious, what were you guys rocking with? And as far as chicken, I'm gonna be using boneless chicken thighs. I think they're just in general way more juicier than chicken breast. Chicken breast, sometimes they dry out, so I'm gonna be using boneless chicken thighs. And all I'm doing here is first dipping it into the egg mixture, shaking off the excess, getting into that flour mixture, shaking off the excess, and then repeating that process, getting it back into the egg, and then getting it back in the flour, and then I'm gonna let it rest. And another tip I think that works, instead of getting it right into the oil after flouring it up, I like to let it sit a little bit. I just feel like the bread is just something special happens with the breading when you let it sit for a little bit. Let that thing just chill for a little while in that new coating that it got, that new coat. You know what I'm saying? So while my chicken is chillaxing in its new coat, I'm gonna go ahead and toast up these buns. I have myself a little butter I'm melting in the pan. After that, I'm gonna slap my buns in here and let them get nice and toasted, because nobody likes them a soggy bun. And if you don't toast your buns, that's exactly what you're gonna get. So please guys, toast up those buns, get them nice and golden brown. You know how it goes. And after we got our bun nice and toasted up, it's time to get that bacon sizzling. Ain't nothing like that aroma of some sizzling bacon. I don't know about you guys, but I love bacon on absolutely everything. I am a bacon lover, bacon fanatic. I might put a ring on a pack of bacon because I love bacon that much. And this bacon is going to elevate our dish, guys. Gonna elevate our dish, take it to the next level. Look at that color, it looks beautiful. I love me some bacon. And curious, also let me know, how do you guys like your bacon? Do you like your bacon like mine? I don't like my bacon burnt. I know some people, they like their bacon extra crispy, but I like my bacon like this, looking real. It's crispy, but it's not overdone. I can't stand some burnt bacon. I'm sorry, guys. All right, I got my pan nice and hot. I'm using peanut oil. I love using peanut oil because it could go to a pretty high temp without burning. I just almost always use peanut oil when it comes to deep frying. And I'm gonna let these bad boys go for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And if you're not using a deep fryer, you wanna be careful because the bottom of the pan gets really, really hot and you don't wanna like kind of scorch, you know, the bottom side of your chicken. So keep an eye on it, kind of flip it here and there so it doesn't get scorched. And as you can see, we got a nice, beautiful, crispy, golden brown on this chicken. It looks absolutely delicious. And believe me when I tell you, it tastes just as good as it looks. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe, guys. It's so delicious. And now it is time for the assembly line. I have my sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna slap that on the bun as well as some pickles. Once I got them pickles layered on there, it's time to go grab that crispy, juicy, flaky fried chicken and just carefully drop that bad boy right up on that bun. Then we gotta grab that crispy bacon, throw them bad boys up on there, and then we just top it off and just admire the beauty before we munch down on this bad boy. It is absolutely beautiful, guys. So amazing. Oh my goodness. This is a super easy recipe, guys. There is absolutely nothing to it. You can absolutely get the same result out of your own kitchen. Super easy, super delicious, guys. This is, I'm telling you right now, it's better than all them fast food chains y'all be going to, wasting y'all money at. It's better than each and every single one of those places. You ain't gotta go sit in no drive-through line. You ain't gotta do all that. You could just go in your kitchen and whip up this bad behind chicken sandwich. Your family is gonna love this. Your significant other is gonna love this. Your grandmama gonna love this. Your grandpa gonna love this. Your neighbor gonna love this. Everybody gonna love this. This is an absolutely delicious sandwich, man. This sandwich is the bomb. This is everything right now. I'm telling you, you're gonna absolutely love this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like for your boy for giving y'all this beautiful sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.